Ndị be anyị, ndewonu, ndemenu. Afam bụ Chuka Ndi Igbo. My name is Chuka Ndi Igbo, and I would like to welcome you to Voice of the Sun, a platform where we speak up for Ndi Igbo, where we teach Ndi Igbo our culture, our tradition, our spirituality, and our cosmology, where we rewire the brains of our people, taking them away from the colonialist mindset back to the core beliefs of our ancestors. Na Voice of the Sun, anyị na-amụgosi ndị be anyị ihe mere anyị ji wee bụrụ ndị Igbo. Anyị na-amụgosi ndị be anyị Odinani Igbo, Omenani Igbo, asụsụ Igbo. Ihe anyị ji wee bili dịka ndị Igbo. A Voice of the Sun, we teach, we enlighten, we defend the cause of the Igbo people in our interaction with outsiders. And I would like to enjoin you to always interact with our programs, always comment, always request for topics that you want us to discuss on. Whatever it is, Igbo tradition, Igbo history, Igbo cosmology, Odinani, Omenani, asụsụ Igbo, Agụgụani, whatever it is you want about us as a people, reach out to us in the comment section or contact us via our emails or on social media, and we'll always engage you and teach you that which you need to know. Ndebanya, I remain my humble self, Chuka Ndi Igbo, and I'd like to welcome you formally to Voice of the Sun.